Hey, how's everybody doing? This is the boat I've been working on over the last, since January. So, yeah, let me give you a quick tour. Under a big tent here, tarp, whatnot. Here's the deck, a lot of patchwork kind of stuff, so it's been a lot of fairing, making sure it's nice and smooth. This side has gray primer on it. Spray rails are in. A lot of surface prime, prep, and so on, all in here. This is the motor hatch. This is the transom back here. It's got a little cutout swim step. This is just been varnished. It's got on its third coat of varnish. This side was a little bit different because the varnish was all stripped off, so it's got a high, very robust, thick white marine primer on it. And so this is coming along. This is the dash, and the perimeter of the cockpit is all installed, and then also eventually get a beautiful wood veneer treatment. And kind of that's it for now.